does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Entering into the world of sweetness with an adorable cake. Adding some yummy icing. More the icing, more the yumminess. Can't wait to color this yummy cake. Now adding its cute eyes. Adding a cute little smile. It's almost ready. Every cake should have sparkly candles. Yes, you got this. Now it's time to paint. Paint. Baby pink. Yellow. Bright red. Light blue. Light green. Adding some yummy sprinkles. Our cake looks so cute and happy. Glitter time! Bye-bye! If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.